Welcome to Homebrewing TV. Today we've got something a little bit different for you. We've been pretty busy down here in the brewery, and we decided to do a grain to glass series. We're going to start with this beer here. It's a Northeast IPA we've named Tropical Haze. Now normally this type of video would be married up against a brew day that we do of the beer, but the grain to glass series itself will be the recipe and the step-by-step on how to brew this particular beer. You'll find the recipe in the description below. So please have a watch, see if you like this type of thing, let us know in the comments, and cheers.